Hello, my name is Alex Johnson. I will be teaching the online geography this year for the 8th graders. This is my 6th year working at Westwood, and I've taught at least a little bit of geography for 5 out of the 6 years. So I'm really excited to be giving this opportunity to your kids to be working online at home during these crazy COVID times. The main units we will be covering this year, my slide. Main units are going to be the 5 themes of geography is what we start out with. It's a way to kind of organize geographic information. Then we're going to be moving on to maps and map projections, one of my favorite units. Then physical geography, climate and population, government, culture. We're going to be looking deeply at water as a resource and why it's so important. And also economics and the basics of the five main religions of the world. This class is going to be a mixture of asynchronous and synchronous learning. We'll be having occasional WebExes as needed. A lot of it is going to be more independently paced and independently driven for the students. Every week there will be office hours available on Thursday at 7:45. But I can easily make myself available for students outside of those hours as well. All they have to do is shoot me a Schoology message and we can easily set something up. And that goes with parents as well. If you ever have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me at any time through Schoology or through the district email. Thanks so much.